Hello my YouTube friends, Nancy here again with you guys just to give you an update. We did a live show. Some of you know that we had some trouble with our RV. Our slide out will not come in because the floor is rotted, so we're having some issues with that. We were supposed to be at Meteor Crater 2 days ago, so right now we are waiting on the repair guy to show up, so at least we can get the slide in and drive the RV to the repair place, which is just down here. But we're waiting for the repair guy to show up so he can help us with the slide and we can get on the road. We had to suspend or cancel some of our reservations that we had for California and Yosemite because of this. So we are still stuck in Albuquerque, New Mexico. However, we're making the best of it. We went out to eat, we've been sightseeing. We went to a fabulous place, which was the Petroglyph National Monument, where you can do some hiking and take some pictures of the petroglyphs. And we'll have also a video on that as well. It's been full of adventures, you guys. It's been unbelievable. And as you know, hanging out with a Thin Blue Lane, there's always an adventure and there's always something going on. So we always let you know what's going on, the good and the bad. So weather out here, it's a little bit warm with the sun and everything, but it's actually pretty good. So we're waiting for the repair guy. Let me see if I can shoot some video of what's going on this side of the RV, and hopefully we can keep on recording this, and at the end it'll be a happy ending and we can get back on the road. So see you in a bit. Okay, we are back at the RV, and this is where our problem is. That slide right there. So let me turn this around and show you guys what I'm talking about. There's the top of the slide. This particular slide is our living room. This is where the problem is. Let me show you guys. See this right here? All of this, as you can see, I mean, look at this. That's our floor. This is our floor in the living room. So when we were trying to bring in the slide, it is completely lifted and the floor has detached from, I guess, the little wall here. So when you bring it in, the top of the slide just falls out. And the problem with this is, see this right here, you guys? Let's go look at the other side. This is a manufacturer's defect. At least that is my opinion. And I base that opinion on, if you look on this side, there's the chihuahuas in there going nuts. See this right here? That has plastic on it. And this prevents from the water to go right there, which would be the floor on the slide. So right there, it does have a cover. Let's go back to the other side. And as you can see right here, there is no plastic covering. The problem was that since the manufacturer did not put that plastic on that side, we didn't notice. I mean, it's just, you know, some things that you just don't notice in your RV. And by the time that we noticed it, all the water had seeped into there, the floor started rotting, and we started having a whole bunch of problems. So right now, that top of the slide, oh, that's a good angle. Let me show you guys. When we bring it in, it goes in like this. So the bottom goes in, but not the top right here. So it kind of stays like that. And that is because the floor right here has detached. So when the slide comes in, it goes like this. But the floor, I'm trying to explain it the best, it's not hooked in, so the slide doesn't go in like this. So it does this number. So Anyways, I hope I didn't ramble on. So let's see what time it is. 3:48, and we're still waiting for the repair guy. We have paid for an extra 2 days that we have been in this campground trying to get this fixed. So we'll keep you posted. Thank you for hanging out with us, and thank you to all of you that watched our live and sent us goodwill wishes on our journey. Okay guys, the repair guy just left. He fixed the side of the slide. That's Katie. Where we'll be able to at least drive it to the repair place. Any words for our viewers?
Yeah, you got me fixing sewer stuff. That's charming.
Hey, we all know it's a crappy job, right? So anyways, we are going to, I don't know if we can get this in today or maybe tomorrow, and the saga continues. These are the days of our lives.
None of this stuff matters as long as they got hurt, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, look at him, he's so sweet. Get your own bear, this one's mine. Okay, we're gonna stop filming unless you want to see the sewer, which I'm sure you'll probably know. He said no. How about we just get a shot of our house? There we go. And you can look over here where we are. Okay, thank you guys. See you soon.